Hey everybody, another update for today. A couple things I found just kind of looking for news. There's some potential problems with the facade at Shrek 4D, which could potentially slow down the new project that Universal wants to put there. Now, we don't know what that project is. We've had rumors and speculation that it's going to be a Minion-themed attraction. The report that I heard said it was going to be like a moving walkway that is kind of based around VillainCon. If you're familiar with the franchise, that will make sense to you. And it's a convention where the Minions are looking to find their next supervillain master. So while they were doing some of the refurbishment there, or takedown or breakdown of the Shrek 4D interior and everything, they found some rainwater had been causing some separation in the former Shrek 4D exterior. BioReconstruct posted this on Twitter. I've got one image for you here. Now, in and of itself, that might not look like a big deal, but if they pull that away and they find mold and stuff like that, it could be a bigger deal. Maybe, maybe not. And I mean, I think that this is not really such a big thing that if they have to just tear down the whole facade, they will. But inevitably, potentially, if this was just going to be using the same facade and putting an attraction inside of it, this could potentially slow that process down. The next point of interest is very simply this. Universal Orlando is going to extend their hours because they are anticipating higher crowd volume. This was announced today. With spring break and St. Patrick's Day a week coming soon, Universal is extending their hours from March 13th to March 20th to deal with these crowds. The parks are going to be open from 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. And Islands of Adventure will also be open from 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. March 12th through the 14th, the 16th, and the 18th through the 20th. On the 15th, it's going to be open from 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. And on the 17th from 8 a.m. it'll close at 6 p.m. 21st through the 25th, 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. And we'll shut down at 8 p.m. on March 26th. Before returning to a 9 to 9 opening hours or operating hours on March 27th. Theme Park Tourist is where I found this information, so I want to give them credit for that. You can get all of the details there. And that is your update for today. God bless you guys. Go do something amazing for somebody else today. Big announcement coming on Saturday. We are going to be doing a live stream. You're going to want to tune in to see that. It's a big announcement for us. It's directly related to the channel. And join us live, 9 a.m. on the West Coast, noon, midday on the East Coast. God bless you. We'll see you.